Meep. I just left that drawer open for a second. I think you have to let me get you out of there, okay? Meep. Come on. Get out. Come on. Get out. Get out. Get out, Meep. I'm gonna just close the drawer on you. Unfazed. Get out. Get out. Meep. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come here. Get out. Yeah. Joe.
What's that?
I can't get Meep out of my drawer.
Wait, let me get the recorder.
I'm already recording it.
Here, let me get the better angle here.
Okay. Come here. Get out. What are you... What? Here. It's okay. Here. Oh! Get... Come on. Come on. Get out. Meep. Is that fun? Come on. There you go. Go. Go.
So this is what Meep does, is he will crawl up on top of your legs, and then if you try to pick him up to get him off, he'll bite you, or so he bites. But he doesn't bite. He's purring right now, but he's still kind of biting.
Hey, Meep.
Here's Meep in his box. This is my brother.
Hey, Meep.
You can see if he had nails, he would be destroying my brother's arm.
Meep.
He's a little agitated by my brother's presence.